Never been on a cruise before and not quite sure what to pack? Well, in this week's video, we're going to show you the essential things that you must pack on your next cruising vacation. Cue the intro. What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies. So the most important thing is to make sure that you pack versatile clothes. And what do I mean by this? Is by wearing something black that you can change up with just a few pieces can change the whole look and feel of the outfit every day. The other thing that people don't realize is whether you're going on a tropical cruise or a vacation in Alaska or the Mediterranean, it doesn't matter, but you always need to bring a heavy jacket. Because when you are on board that ship on a top deck, those winds can get quite chilly. Continuing on with versatility, shoes. Shoes are a huge part of this vacation because you don't want to bring your fancy and comfortable shoes. As much as you want to, they take up unnecessary space and you're going to be doing a lot of walking, whether it's on board the ship or at port. So be sure to pack nice but comfortable shoes on your cruising vacation. So of course, don't forget your camera gear. This is important not to bring your brand new equipment that you've never tried before. You don't want to be wasting any time learning how to use your camera and all the different settings. Do that prior. And if you really just want to stick to the bare bones and using your iPhone, no problem, but there's so many cool features on the iPhone now. Be sure just to check out a few of those so you don't miss anything. And for you adventure buddies out there that love to get those amazing shots, bring that GoPro. For those of you who get seasick, be sure to bring your seasick remedy. If you're not quite sure what that could be, click on that red subscribe button down below, and in our next video, we're gonna show you the different remedies to use if you are prone to seasickness. A bonus tip is to make sure you bring a backpack. This could obviously be a carry-on for your trip in general, but what a lot of people forget is when you're on a cruise and you go to a port and you're gonna go explore, you want to have some kind of backpack to carry your waters, snacks, lightweight jacket, and your camera gear. Do not forget this. So in conclusion, these are some good essential tips for you to remember when you're packing for your next cruise vacation. So remember everyone, I'm Trevi from the Adventure Buddies. Life's an adventure. Who you going on it with?